Updating your payment method on weights and biases is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Weights and Biases website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an account icon. Step 3. Go to Billing section. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payment information. Select the option to update your payment method. Enter your new payment details, such as credit card information or other payment options, and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Weights and Biases. Keeping your billing information current ensures uninterrupted access to your services.